Congress party from the beginning, at the time of Rajiv Gandhi, when he was the Prime Minister, this Mahila reservation, ladies reservation was brought to the Gram Panchayat level and Jilla Panchayat and Taluk Panchayats also. We were interested. That's the reason in 2010, they came out with a bill for the ladies reservation both in the parliament and the assembly. But we could not get through because of the majority. Now we were expecting that the bill would be passed in favor to favor the ladies, to make a representation, and they were all to be considered as in a democratic setup. That was the expectation of ours. But the way in which they handled the bill and introduced bill and adjourned the house without much discussion, it is only to defame and demoralize the ladies who are aspiring to be in the democratic process.